this was the question we were doing, question number 3, and the first step we have taken. देखिए कैसे लिखेंगे, ax plus b and this quadratic factor in the denominator, x square plus b. The second factor is linear, c upon x plus 3. Now take the LCM, this will be your LCM. इसको ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3x plus c, ax plus b के साथ ये फैक्टर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा और c के साथ ये वाला फैक्टर, क्योंकि ये फैक्टर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. आफ्टर ओपनिंग द ब्रैकेट्स ऊपर कर दें, फिर x स्क्वायर x और कॉन्स्टेंट्स को अलग अलग करके लिख लें. तो ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज 3x plus 7, या x स्क्वायर को कॉमन लेंगे तो a एंड c विल बी लेफ्ट इन द ब्रैकेट. x कॉमन लेंगे तो 3a और प्लस b विल बी लेफ्ट, and the constant is 3b plus 4c. Then call it equation number 4. अब एक लीनियर फैक्टर है, उसको आप कैलकुलेट कर लें. लीनियर इज इजी टू कैलकुलेट. तो put x plus 3 as 0 equal to 0. So put x plus 3 is 0. X will become minus 3 and put this in equation number 2. ठीक है, ये इक्वेशन 2 में पुट कर रहा है. x को मैं क्या पुट कर रहा हूँ, -3. तो 3 into -3 plus 7, x पर रखिए -3. यहाँ जब -3 रखोगे ये पूरा फैक्टर 0 हो जाएगा. -3 plus 3 0, 0 multiplied with anyone, तो फर्स्ट टर्म विल गो 0. c के साथ रखिए x को -3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 4, -3 square will become 9, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 and c on the right, and on the left will be -2. So answer of C is -2 by 13. So okay, ये कैलकुलेशन ठीक कीजिएगा, गलती नहीं करना आपको. बस एक वैल्यू तो आ गई इस लीनियर फैक्टर से. For the other values, we are to compare the coefficients of highest power क्या हमारी x square, उससे कम x, और फिर x power 0 means the constants. So in equation number 3, ये जो at the top of your screen it is seen here, इसमें x square के coefficient को, x को और constants को compare करना है. Okay, there is no term on the left with x square, so coefficient of x square will be 0 in the first case because we are comparing x square. On the right side, the coefficient of x square is at a plus c, so write down. This is equation, एक नंबर बन गया. इसको रोमन न्यूमरल दे दें 1 2 3. हम वैसे अरेबिक न्यूमरल्स में लिख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 जो मैंने ऊपर लिखा हुआ है ये अरेबिक न्यूमरल्स कहलाते हैं और ये है रोमन न्यूमरल्स. ओके, तो ये जो इक्वेशन बनाएंगे ना कॉमन कोएफिशिएंट्स को कंपेयर करके, तो बेटर यू राइट और मार्क देम विद द रोमन न्यूमरल्स. तो दिस इज द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. एक इक्वेशन आ गई. नाउ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x, देयर इज वन टर्म विद x हियर. The coefficient is 3, and on the right side the coefficient of x is 3a plus b. You have got second equation. Now you have to write the constants. On the left hand side the constant is 7, and on the right hand side is 3b plus 4c. In that way, by comparing the coefficients of like powers of x, here in this case we have got 3 equations, and one value you have calculated already. So put here in equation number 1, Roman numeral number 1. यहाँ रख दें a की वैल्यू -2 by c की वैल्यू, c की वैल्यू यहाँ पुट कर दें. a की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 2 by 13. और so shift it to the other side 2 by 13. After getting a and c, तो आप किसी क्वेश्चन से यहाँ से नाउ योर इंटरेस्ट इज टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ b. तो हम a की वैल्यू यहाँ रख देते हैं. तो 3 on the left, now putting in 2, and 3 value of a is 2 by 13 put कर दिया, and b as it is. your जगह 6 by 13, 3 will be equal to 6 by 13. Shuffle this 6 by 13 to the other side. So 3 minus 6 by 13. Here 3 minus 6 by 13 will be equal to b. एलसीएम लें 3 13 3 जा 39 माइनस 6 और सब के नीचे आएगा 13. दिस एलसीएम यू शुड टेक क्लियरली. अक्सर लोगों को ये कैलकुलेशन नहीं आती. ठीक है. 13 in the denominator, 39 minus 6 is 33. So value of V is now 33 by 13. A, B, C all are known. Put them in equation 1. ये इक्वेशन 1 थी. हमारा टास्क क्या होता है? टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ दीज अननोन्स A, B, C and put these values here in equation number 1. In the end हमेशा 1 पे आना है आपने. Now look here. This was the left hand side of equation 1 as it is. On the right side, value of A is 2 by 13. देख रहे हैं आप, इसके साथ x लगेगा plus value of B. B is 33 by 13. Divided by the first factor was x square plus 4. Plus यहाँ पे constant था simple. A B का C. The value of C is how much? ये आप निकाल चुके थे. This is value of C was minus 2 by 13. यहाँ पर पुट कर दें इक्वेशन 1 में minus 2 by 13 and denominator factor is x plus 3. And in this case, right side of the first term of the right side, इन दोनों का LCM क्या आएगा? 13. LCM लेना जरूरी है. The moment LCM is same, bring this term in the denominator. अगर LCM different है तो फिर आप उसको पहले LCM लें. फैक्टर्स जो है डिनोमिनेटर में अगर अलग अलग है या 6 है या 12 है तो आप उसको पहले LCM लेंगे. But if the terms are similar, means LCM is the same. 13 will be brought in the denominator. This will be left now here 2x and here 33. 2x plus 33 in the numerator. 13 will come in the denominator as a multiple of x square plus 4. Minus 2 and bring this 13 in the denominator as a multiple of x plus 3. So is your answer. This was a question from where? Case number 3. I have solved one more problem. वो भी आप देख लीजिएगा. And I'm sure you can do it yourself. मैं आखिरी केस का एक सवाल करा देता हूँ. देखिए इसमें ये है अमलगामेशन आ गई. अब ये दूसरा केस है, लीनियर एंड रिपीटेड केस है, और ये है क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर. तो दिस कम्स इन द थर्ड केस बिकॉज क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर आ गया. तो रिपीटेड के लिए होता है पहले पावर 1 लेते हैं, फिर पावर 2 लेते हैं और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट फैक्टर. चूंकि यहाँ पे इरिड्यूसिबल क्वाड्रेटिक फैक्टर है CH plus. So this will, in this way you will start the question and I'm sure you can do it. Let me do a question from the last case. This is your last case. When the factors in the denominator are irreducible quadratic as well repeated. देखिए क्वाड्रेटिक है, रिपीटेड भी है. क्वाड्रेटिक है, रिपीटेड भी है. ये भी क्वाड्रेटिक है और पावर 2 है तो रिपीटेड है. In all these cases, the factors are quadratic as well repeated. मैं क्वेश्चन कर देता हूँ आपको देखिए. The answers are also given to you. Sorry, doing question number 3. Resolve into partial fractions. The first factor is x squared plus 2. We call it irreducible quadratic factor and its whole power is 2. So this is repeated as well. That's why this question pertains to case number 4. The first step to start with is that on the right side you will write ax plus b. I told you two constants you will be using and 1 as a multiple of x. ये हमेशा करेंगे for every quadratic factor in the denominator. So I'll start with power 1. The first quadratic factor will become x square plus 2 whole power 1. Again, two constants in the numerator as cx plus b, and takes its second power, x square plus 2 power 2. And the last factor is a linear factor, so only one constant in the denominator divided by x minus 2. Call this equation number 1. This you have to do in every question. You are to separate your denominators, taking some constants in the numerator, putting a plus sign in between every term. And how many constants are required? You must know 2 constants, 1 with x, whenever there is a quadratic factor in the denominator. But if there is a linear factor, only 1 constant in the numerator is required. After that, you take LCM as usual. I told you LCM is the denominator of the left hand side. With this LCM, multiply each and every term on the left and right hand side. The moment I will multiply this LCM on the left hand side, the whole of the terms will be cancelled, leaving 2x plus 5 on the left hand side. Now keep in mind that you are multiplying it. Multiplying means you have to multiply it in the numerator. So which factor will be cancelled? This with 1 power. So 1 power will be cancelled. So the remaining factors will be x square plus 2, x minus 2, that you have to multiply with the first term. First term in the numerator is ax plus b. Then you have to multiply with x plus 2. 1 term will be cancelled, 1 term will be left, and x minus 2 as it is. Come for the second term, cx plus d as it is, you write down. The first factor completely is cancelled. See, this is your LCM. So first term is completely cancelled. It is left with x minus 2. So multiply it with x minus 2. Plus e, and the second factor is completely cancelled, and multiply e with x square plus 2 whole square. This is the way we write after taking the LCM. Call this relation number 2. Then you have to open the brackets, or if the powers or whole powers are there, apply the square formula or cube formula, whatever is there. So see here, step by step we'll do. Don't get confused, don't make hurry. एक भी गलत आपने टर्म कर ली, your answer will be completely wrong. So 2x plus minus 5 as it is on the left side. First I'm multiplying the last 2 terms, x square plus 2 with x minus 2. Simply take it x cube, then minus 2x square plus 2x and minus 2. Okay. Here you multiply cx with x, cx square, minus 2cx, dx and minus 2d. Done. Multiply the two brackets. Whole square for यहाँ पे x की power 4 हो जाएगा. Twice the product of first and second term, 4x square हो जाएगा. And the square of the last term, the second term, that is 4. We have to further multiply the first term ले रहे हैं, अब आपकी 2 brackets से multiply कीजिए. ax इसको multiply करेंगे, x पावर 4 हो गया. ax इसको multiply करेंगे, minus 2ax cube हो जाएगा. इसको multiply करेंगे, 2ax square हो जाएगा. डन. सिंपल स्टाइल से multiply करें, minus 4ax आ जाएगा. Then b से सबको multiply करें, bx cube minus 2bx square plus 2bx minus 4b. So keep on writing. Nothing is difficult. Ugly terms आखिर वाले भी को e से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. This is fine enough. The last term you multiply with e, ex power 4, or e plus 4 ex square and plus 4e. And then take the coefficients starting from the highest power of x. In this case, the highest power of x is 4. Then you take the coefficient of x cubed, then coefficient of x squared, then coefficient of x, and in the end, the constant terms. Nothing doing with the left hand side. You see the highest power is x4. How many terms? First term and this ex4. And there is no other term with x power 4. So once I take x power 4 as common, in the bracket will be left a and e. So a plus e times x power 4. I hope it is clear to you. Now we go for the terms of x cubed. The second term is with x cubed and this bx cubed. If I take x cubed as common, from here I will be getting minus 2a, and from here I will be getting plus b. So this is the coefficient of x cubed. Now we write the coefficients of x square. This term is with x square 2a, then minus 2b, then plus c, and plus 4e. All are with x square. So x square take common, and in the bracket you write 2a minus 2b plus c plus 4e. Now we take the coefficients of x. X write common. What is the term with x? Minus 4a, then plus 2b, then minus 2c, and then plus d. No other term with x. This is the coefficient of x. And in the end you write down the constants. What are the constants left? No constant, no constant. Minus 4b constant है. जिनके साथ x नहीं है, they are the constants. Minus 4b, then minus 2d and plus 4e. Minus 4b, minus 2d plus 4e. These are the constants. Write down in the bracket. So this we have arranged the terms according to the powers of x. Whatever the linear factor is available to you, देखिए, see in your relation number 1. This is the only linear factor x minus 2. Set x minus 2 equal to 0. And x will become equal to 2. उसको आप पुट कीजिएगा कहाँ? Equation number 2. ठीक है, अगर कोई linear factor आपके पास है, तो x equal to 2 यहाँ पुट करेंगे. देखिए, the moment you will be putting x as 2, so 2 minus 2 0, और 0 से किसी चीज को multiplying, the first term will go 0. Similarly, 2 minus 2 0, second term will also go 0. Put x equal to 2 here. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 का square 36 e you will get on the right side, और 2 यहाँ रखेंगे तो 2 to the 4 minus 5. So minus 1 on the left, and क्या बताया था मैंने आपको, 36 on the right. देखिए, that I have written here. 4 minus 5 minus 1 and 36e. So e will be equal to minus 1 upon 36. So you have got one constant. ये आसानी से निकल आता है when the linear factor is given. For the other values, you need to compare the coefficients of like powers of x, and you will make equations और उनको Roman numerals में numbering करेंगे आप. देखिए, I am taking coefficients of x power 4. There is no term with x power 4 on the left hand side, so its coefficient will be 0. On the right side, x power 4 is having the coefficient as a plus e. Write down a plus. And call this equation number 1 with the numeral sign. ये होगा Roman numeral number 1. Now compare the coefficients of x cube. There is no x cube on the left hand side, so on the left hand side coefficient of x cube will be 0. On the right hand side is minus 2a plus b. So this equation marked as Roman numeral number 2. Now you compare coefficient of x square. देखिए 4 फिर x3. Still, we are not finding any term with x square on the left hand side, so coefficient will be 0, 0. And on the right side, x square का coefficient क्या है देखिए, coefficient x write down 2a minus 2b plus c minus 4e. लिखते हैं यहाँ पे. Call this Roman numeral number 3. Now we compare the coefficients of x. You see there is an x here, है ना? क्या आएगा? 2. The coefficient will be 2. And on the right side, x का coefficient क्या है? Minus 4a plus 2b minus 2c plus d. ये सारा लिख लें. एक क्वेश्चन, एक इक्वेशन और भी लिखी जा सकती थी. बताइए कौन सी? कांस्टेंट्स की. मैंने नहीं लिखा, आप लिख लीजिए. Write down, all of you. So what is the constant on the left hand side? Minus 5. Okay, write minus 5. ये x की पावर 0 होगा. Coefficient of x power 0. Minus 5 equal to क्या constant है आपके पास? Minus 4b minus 2d plus 4e. So one more equation may be written here. That is number 5. चलिए अब आप कैलकुलेट कीजिए कांस्टेंट्स को. One of the constants are known to you, that is e1 minus 1 by 36. यहाँ रख दें. Number 1. The value of e is minus 1 by 36. यहाँ पुट करने के बाद इसको उधर शफल कीजिए. The value of a will be plus 1 by 36. दो वैल्यूज आ गई. a को यहाँ रख दें अब आप, तो b की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. So from equation number 2, put a as 1 by 36. It was 0 equal to minus 2 times 1 by 36 plus b. Solve किया, cancel हुआ, minus 1 over 18 इधर आया, तो shuffle करेंगे उधर. So value of b will be 1 by 18. Okay. Then put the values of a, b and e in equation number 3. आपने a निकाल लिया, b निकाल लिया, e पुट करें, we will find the value of c. चलिए रखें. a is 1 by 36, यहाँ रखें 1 by 36. Minus 2, value of b is 1 by 18. रख दिया. c as it is because we want to calculate it. Plus 4 times e. 4 times e is bracket में लिखेंगे minus 1 by 36. 4 times in the bracket minus 1 by 36. So you simplify. On the left hand side is 0. इसको कैंसिल किया, minus 1 over 9. ये भी कैंसिल हुआ, minus 1 over 9. ये हो जाएगा minus का 1 over 18. तो minus 1 over 18, sorry, ये आपका 1 over 18 और ये हो जाएगा minus 2 upon 9. तो 1 over 18 minus 2 upon 9. सिंप्लीफाई करें. LCM will be 18. Take the LCM as 18. Or 18 to the, ये क्या हो गया? So divide 18 by this 9. So 9 to the 18 और 2 पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 to the 4. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 1 ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1 1 the 1. This is the way we had been taking LCM in your earlier classes. So 4 minus 1 is 3 by 18. Cancel होगा 1 by 6. The value of c is 1 by 6. आपके पास a, b, c आ गया. d अभी नहीं आया. e भी आ चुका है. The only task is to find the value of d. यहाँ से चलिए a, b और c की वैल्यू पुट कीजिए इन रोमन नंबर इक्वेशन नंबर 4. ठीक है, ये आपने पुट कर दिया ए बी सी की वैल्यू। देखिए on the left hand side is 2 minus 4a minus 4 times 1 by 36 plus 2b, b value is 1 by 18 minus 2 and value of c is 1 by 6 plus d as it is. Now simplify. Minus 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 minus 1 by 3 plus d. ये दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे these two terms. तो 2 और इसको उधर शफल करेंगे तो plus 1 by 3. 2 plus 1 by 3 will become 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. This is the way we take the LCM. So answer for D is 7 by 3. Now substitute all these values in your equation number 1. Substitute all the value of these constants in equation 1. देखिए 1 आपका था ax plus b over this, cx plus d over this और e upon this, याद है ना? तो a की वैल्यू है 1 by 36, x है प्लस b की वैल्यू 1 over 18 लिख दिया अभी, c की वैल्यू है 1 over 6 x प्लस d की वैल्यू है 7 by 3 सेकेंड फैक्टर माइनस 1 over 36 into x minus 2. अब मैंने कहा था अगर ये डिफरेंट है तो पहले आप एलसीएम लेंगे, इन दोनों का एलसीएम क्या आएगा 36, तो ये तो 36 रहेगा, ये डबल हो जाएगा, 18 2 द 36 होता है, 2 ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई होगा, x प्लस 2 ऊपर आएगा एलसीएम लेने के बाद और 36 नीचे चला गया, ये फैक्टर जो नीचे ऑलरेडी लिख दी, यहाँ पे भी एलसीएम क्या आएगा 6, ये तो एक्स ही रहेगा लेकिन ये 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 7 द 14, दिस इज द वे वी टेक द एलसीएम and 6 will come in the denominator, x plus 2 whole square as it is, and minus 1 by 36 is fine. No more simplification is required. So gentlemen, this is your answer. देखिए ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड थी, इसको हमने अलग अलग करके लिख दिया, fine. Now I am going to unmute you all. कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछेगा. My recording is complete. मैं इसको बंद करता हूँ. And 4 cases I taught you today. All are very important. और हर केस से मैंने क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करके दिखाया, समझा दिया. I told you these questions are no doubt very lengthy, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहिए. A, B, C के नीचे फैक्टर कैसे लिखना है, how to take the LCM. And from case number 2 to 4, in all these 3 cases, means except case number 1, you are to take the coefficients. तो आपने यहाँ पे कंपेयर करना होता है coefficients. तो LCM लेने के बाद you have to open the brackets as well, whereas we do not do it in case number 1.